Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making delicious chicken karahi. Chicken karahi is a dish that originates from the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. This dish is normally cooked in a karahi, which is a type of wok used in South Asian cooking. Now chicken karahi is one of the famous dishes of Pakistan. It is one of those dishes that you can really enjoy with your family and friends. Today I'm going to show you the best way of making chicken karahi. The chicken is going to be nice and juicy, and I'm going to serve it with naan bread and some kabli rice. Without further ado, let's get started. Chef presents. First of all, grab yourself a blender and with half an onion, tomatoes, just remove the skin before adding them in. We're also going to use some chopped tomatoes. Cover and blend this. Remove this into a bowl and set aside. You also want to blend garlic, ginger with a touch of water. For the spices, you want to lightly toast black pepper, cumin, coriander seeds, and then finely ground them. Always toast your spices no matter what you are using. I'm also gonna chop some fresh green chili and julienne some fresh ginger. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heater on medium high. When the pan is nice and hot, a good touch of oil. In with your chicken. You want a light brown color on the chicken. Just mix properly. Add a good touch of salt. Mix that in. I'm just gonna cover the chicken for around 5 minutes. Let's check this. So the chicken has started to release its water, which is expected. I'm just gonna dry some of this water. Listen, you don't want to overcook the chicken. You want to keep it nice and juicy. So when the water from the chicken has dried up a little, in with the blended tomatoes and onions. Give this a really good mix. And you want to cook the rawness of these tomatoes and blended onions. Our chicken is half done at this point. Alright, so two things have happened here. I've cooked the rawness of those onions and tomatoes, and I've also dried up those excess moisture from this mixture. And with the ginger and garlic paste, again, just give this a really good mix. And we're gonna cook the rawness of that paste as well, just for another 2 minutes. That smells wonderful. In with my chopped tomatoes, some of this green chili, and ginger juliennes, just a little bit. I'm just gonna give that a mix. And now cover this for a few minutes to soften up the tomatoes and the ginger and the green chili. Alright, let's check this. Just another mix here. And with knobs of butter and touch of oil. We're gonna use butter and oil to fry up our chicken. Get a nice color on there. Like I said, let's fry up this chicken and the mixture. It should take you around 3 to 4 minutes. It smells amazing, trust me. The chicken is gonna be nice and buttery. So delicious. Now can you see the oil has started to come on the top? Now I'm gonna add in the yogurt. Give that a mix. Once you have added the yogurt, you will see it will become watery. You want to dry up this water until the oil starts to float on the top. Let's start to add our spices as well. And with black pepper, good touch of that, good touch of coriander, cumin. Give that a mix. Smells amazing, trust me. One of the best chicken karahi that you're gonna eat. I'm just gonna check for the salt as well. That's perfect. The oil is separated from the mixture. Now this is nearly ready. Alright, so turn off the heat now. I'm just gonna garnish it with fresh coriander. Look at that, beautiful. Some of these green chilies and fresh ginger. And just a final touch, which is a mix of cumin and coriander. And your chicken karahi is done. So once you have turned off the heat, just leave it covered. What this will do is it will soften up that ginger, that green chili. It will add that aroma as well. Alright, let's plate this up. I'm just gonna add some of these green chilies here. I'm serving the chicken karahi with a bit of the naan bread. I've also got here some of these kabli rice. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It smells wonderful. Now before I start, I like to squeeze a bit of the lemon on the top. I'm just gonna try the chicken on its own first. Here we go, look at that. Bismillah. The chicken is so juicy. And those spices, those amazing flavors. Or let's try with a bit of this naan bread. Bismillah. It's so delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.